Hello guys, welcome to our new video, and today's celebrity Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger is an Australian-American film actor, former bodybuilder, producer, businessman, investor, author, activist, philanthropist, and politician who served as the 38th Governor of California from 2003 to 2011 and later served as the Republican Governor of California. He was 15 years old when he started lifting weight and won the Mr. Olympia contest 7 times. He has also been cast in numerous films including Collateral Damage, Hercules in New York, The Sixth Day, The Expendables 2, The Expendables 3. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell button for more update. Biography. Real name Arnold alias Schwarzenegger. Nickname Arnie, Austrian Wack, Conan the Republican, Styrian Wack. The Governator, The Running Man, Conan the Governor, The Machine. Profession: actor, filmmaker, businessman, investor, author, activist, politician, philanthropist. Years active 1965 to present. Ethnicity white. Zodiac sign Leo. Date of birth July 30, 1947. Age 77 years as of 2024. Place of birth Thal, Styria, Allied occupied Austria. Residence Los Angeles, California, United States. Nationality Austria and United States. Religion Roman Catholicism. Education College Santa Monica College. University of Wisconsin Superior. Education qualification graduate. Career Schwarzenegger is regarded as the most revered figure in the industry of bodybuilding, and his legacy is immortalized in the Arnold Classic annual competition of bodybuilding. He has been a prominent figure in bodybuilding history even after his retirement. Schwarzenegger ventured into acting, finally winning the title of Mr. Olympia in 1980. His first debut was in Hercules 1970. His second film was as a deaf-mute hitman in the movie The Long Goodbye 1973. It was followed by a much more crucial part in the film Mr. Hungry 1976. He won a Golden Globe as the New Star of the Year actor. Schwarzenegger who has been registered in the Republican Party for many years. His first political role was as a chairman of the President's Council on Physical Fitness and Sports, in which he served from 1990 to 1993. Between 1993 and 1994, he was chosen as a Red Cross ambassador. Schwarzenegger was elected the governor of California won the ballot with 48.6%. He defeated Democrat Chris Bustamante, Republican Tom McClinton, and others. He registered bills that would have legalized same-sex marriage in California in 2005. He also vetoed 2 bills regarding the implementation of a single-payer healthcare system in California in 2006. Schwarzenegger stood again for election against Democrat Phil Angelidis in the 2006 election. He won the re-election with 56.0% of the vote compared with 38.9% for Angelidis, with a margin of 1 million votes. Family. Father Gustav Schwarzenegger. Mother Ariela Schwarzenegger. Siblings Maynard Schwarzenegger. Wife or spouse. Spouse Maria Shriver, married 1986 to 2021. Children: Catherine, Patrick, Christina, and Josephina. Physical statistics and more. Height: 6 feet 2 inches or 188 cm. Weight: 111 kg or 245 pounds. Hair color: light brown. Eye color: blue. Distinctive features: big muscular body. Net worth: his net worth is around 35 million US dollar. Interesting facts. Arnold has started a film production company called Work Production Inc. Arnold also owns a publishing company called Fitness Publications, which is a joint venture between him and Simon and Schuster. At 15, some would claim at the age of 14, the famous bodybuilder commenced weight training. In his entire career of bodybuilding, he owned the Mr. Olympia title a remarkable 7 times. At 14, he decided to become a pro bodybuilder instead of a soccer player, as he was active in soccer back then when. His dad wanted Arnold to be a police officer like he himself was. Arnold's mother wanted him to go to a trade school. Arnold has also lent his voice to various video games such as Family Guy, The Quest for Stuff in 2014, and WWE 2K16 in 2015. In 1968, along with fellow bodybuilder Franco Columbu, Arnold started a bricklaying business that saw success. Arnold also tried his luck in the restaurant business when he opened a restaurant, Sexy on Main in Santa Monica in 1992, but in 1998 he had to sell it. He started voicing the lead character of Arnold Armstrong or Captain Franz Steffanstick in superhero television series Superhero Kindergarten in 2021. In January 2022, Arnold was involved in a multi-car crash in Los Angeles. Fortunately, he was unharmed in the accident. Favorite things. Favorite food: steak. Favorite exercise: bent over rows. Favorite movie: Kindergarten Cop, 1990. Favorite color: red. House. Arnold Schwarzenegger lives in a luxurious house which is located in Los Angeles, California, United States. Social media profiles. Facebook, 24 million followers. Twitter, 5.2 million followers. Instagram, 26.2 million followers.